Okay, here we go. This is our moving vlog. It is not even 8 o'clock on Saturday morning, and today is the day that the moving truck comes. So my husband, Doug, and I have lived here kind of in and around the Greater Toronto area for our entire lives. All of our family and friends are here, but we made the decision a few months ago to kind of take a crazy leap of faith and go on an adventure, I guess. And we are moving our family, the two of us and our two sons, from just north of the Greater Toronto area all the way out to the Moncton, New Brunswick area. We're just outside of town there as well. And we're bringing you along for the ride. We're all pretty nervous. We've never been to New Brunswick before. We've never been to the East Coast before. And we bought a house out there, sight unseen. So this is just gonna be a little vlog style video of the process. What happens, whatever whatever adventures transpire. So today is the Saturday of the Easter long weekend. We got a call from the moving company last week saying that they were actually going to be here a few days earlier than we had originally planned for. And our house out in Moncton doesn't close until the end of the week. So they are coming today between 10 and 12. They're going to take away pretty much all of our worldly possessions. We have some air mattresses and we've all packed a bag for the week. So we're kind of just going to be camping out at the house for a few days while we do Easter dinners with all of our family, and just kind of hang out and wait until it is time for us to start the big drive across Ontario, across Quebec, and into New Brunswick. So I think I am just gonna wander around the house and tape up any boxes that are still open, make sure the last couple of items that are kind of straggling behind are tucked away. I have to take the sheets off the bed. Okay, let's go. We have this pile of stuff in the living room. This is all the stuff that is not going on the moving truck. But everything else is going away. And of course, there's dirty laundry on the couch. Story of my life. Luckily, we're still gonna be here for a few days, so I guess I can do a couple more loads before we go. This is it. No more projects in this garage. Well, I'm glad I filmed that quick little intro clip when I did, because it's 8:32 and they were supposed to be here between 10 and 12.
So, want to do a walkthrough?
And they're here. my goodness, it's 7 o'clock. They smooshed it all into the one truck. Winnie is eating dinner, and then Doug and I need to book it into the town next door where the kids are currently having Easter dinner with Doug's mom and stepdad and family. We're a little bit late, but we're gonna go enjoy the first of 3 Easter dinners. And then when we get home, we've got some air mattresses to blow up, and we're gonna go to bed. Good morning. I'm still in my jammies. Yesterday was Easter Sunday, and I didn't even pick up the camera because not too much was happening around here. The bunny did drop by and leave some goodies for everybody, and we had Easter dinner and kind of a bon voyage dinner with my parents. Today is going to be cleaning mode. I need to vacuum. I need to wash all the sticky spots off of the floor. I need to wipe out all of the bathrooms. We do have one more bon voyage Easter dinner tonight with Doug's dad and stepmom. And then tomorrow morning, we are out of here. The boys are still asleep, which is a good thing, but I've just ordered us breakfast because yesterday I did clean out the refrigerator. We're just down to drinks now. Yeah, we're gonna have a bite to eat and then dig into this cleaning thing. All right, it is 7:15 in the morning on Tuesday, April 19th. It snowed last night and it is go time. We are loading up the very last of our stuff. We're gonna do a final walkthrough of the house, and then we're gonna start our drive out to New Brunswick. thing. Now we have to do the thing.
My house.
Now we have to do the thing. Okay, after 9.5 or 10 hours of driving, we have called it quits for the day. We have stopped in Quebec, just at a Days Inn. The boys just went down to the car to grab all the bags, and Miss Winnie and I are hanging out here. She's very nervous, not sure where Dad just went. We are just going to figure out what's for dinner. There's a pool that's open till 11, so I think the kids are gonna go for a swim. I need to stretch. And then we will hit the road again in the morning. We're only about halfway there. It has been a really long couple of days, but we're here. We're at the new house. We are sitting in the driveway. Just got an email from our lawyer saying that all of the funds have been transferred and we have officially closed on this purchase. And we're now waiting for the lawyer to pop over and bring us the keys so that we can get inside and see it in real life. So it was a long haul from Ontario to New Brunswick, but it was beautiful. Even though it rained and snowed through most of the drive, it was absolutely stunning. The kids were kind of bored, but also kind of had a blast. right, we're here. We camped out on our air mattresses again last night. I think I'm gonna end the video here. All that's happening over the next few days are the moving truck stopping by and unloading all of the stuff that we squeezed on there. And then we'll just be unpacking boxes and getting to know our new home, trying to piece things together. And I need to get my garage space set up so that I can get back to flipping.